Hey, I wanted to tell you a bit about the Slobproof paint pens. They sent me some samples that I could try out to see what I thought in exchange for an honest review, and here it is. Now, as a professional organizer and productivity coach, I know how hard it is to find time to do all the things that we absolutely have to do, much less find times to do things that would be nice, like touch up the paint on our walls, right? So I truly have found that slob-proof pens are a time saver and stress saver. Big time, especially in our house, because we have three dogs, we have a cat, we have a kid, and we have a busy life. So I don't have time to pull out the paint can and the paint brushes just to touch up some scuffs on the wall. So with the slob-proof pens, I found that these are super simple to use, and by having more than one, I can easily have the different paint colors from around our house. So whenever I see a scuff, I can just quickly run to our home maintenance area, grab the color that I need, open it up, and just cover up that scuff or that scratch really quickly and be done with it. So with the slot-proof paint pens, you will want one for each color that you have of paint in your house. Plus, I also have used these for any of my painted furniture because we do have a couple of pieces of furniture that are painted. Plus, I also do a lot of crafting. So there are a number of pieces that I make to sell. Some of the display pieces that get scuffed really often as people handle them. I can just use one of these pens, fill it with whatever color of paint I used on that craft project, cover up any of the scuffs, and they are ready to display again. So check out the Slobproof pens. I absolutely love them. They are worth their weight in gold. They save so much time and so much stress, and I know that you're going to love them.